Coding enthusiasts ever wondered how to build web applications using Laravel? Step 1. Install Laravel via Composer. It's a dependency manager that'll handle all the packages Laravel needs to run smoothly. Step 2. Learn about routes. Routes are the heart of your application, guiding user requests to the correct controller. Step 3. Master controllers. Controllers handle the logic of your application, and Laravel follows an MVC architecture, meaning Model View Controller. Step 4. Get to grips with views. Views are what the user sees, and in Laravel, they're created using the Blade templating engine. Step 5. Understand Eloquent ORM. It's Laravel's built-in tool for database interaction, making it easier to retrieve and store data. Finally, practice, practice, practice. Laravel is a powerful tool, but like any tool, it's only as good as the craftsman wielding it. So keep honing your skills, and soon enough you'll be crafting web applications with ease and precision.